Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. You probably know the drill with phishing attacks. Don't click on suspicious links or download files from unknown sources. But now, cybercriminals have found a new way to scam you by using images embedded in emails. These phishing emails look like the normal marketing emails. They might contain an image prompting a killer deal or a one-time offer. But when you click on the image, you don't go to the real website. Instead, it's a fake site designed to steal your personal information. The consequences of falling for one of these scams can be serious. You could lose a lot of your business's data and money and waste your time. Here's what we suggest to protect yourself. Look out for generic greetings rather than using your name. Check the sender's email address. Be aware of urgent or threatening language that tries to force urgent action. Hover over any image before clicking and check the URL. And of course, keep all software up to date. We help businesses stay safe every day. If we can help you, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.